Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get started creating a JavaScript application using Kotlin, my new favorite programming language from JetBrains, the maker of IntelliJ, my favorite IDE. I've been using Kotlin for over a year now to create server-side apps, and I've already converted a couple Java apps on the server completely to Kotlin. And it's been a pretty good experience. I'm very happy with it. It's probably one of the easiest language transitions I've ever made. And now I'm starting to create JavaScript applications with Kotlin. I've already created a couple, and I've even created a React application with Kotlin. And so now I want to share my experience with you. And we're going to start with the proverbial hello world. So let's create a new project. We'll choose Kotlin and JavaScript. And we will call this Kotlin JS demo. We'll create a Kotlin class to contain our main method. I'll call it main. All right, so there we have our main method, and I'll say print hello. So that's it. That's our code. Now I'm gonna build the code, and let's look at our file system to see what actually gets created. So there's my project, Kotlin JS demo. And inside source, we have our main. That's the only file we've created. Then here's what Kotlin created for us in the build directory. So let's go into out production, Kotlin JS demo. And you can see there's our compiled file, 520 bytes. That's our code. For every compiled JavaScript file, Kotlin creates a second file with a meta.js extension. You can use that if you need reflection. Also, you need the standard library. Kotlin has a standard library, and that is available to you in your JavaScript programs. And here is the standard library. It's kind of big, 1.3 megabytes, but if you gzip it, it gets a lot smaller. All right, so those are the files it generated. Now let's create an HTML file to pull that stuff into our project. So I'll call this index.html. I'll give it a title of Kotlin JS demo. And let's create a script tag. And reference the file we just created. So we're going to need that guy. And we will also need the standard library. So that's it. As soon as it loads this file, actually I'm going to put the standard library first. As soon as it loads this file, it will start running our code. And since all our code does is print something to the console, it should show up in the console. So let's run this HTML file in our browser. And I'll show a console window there. And it printed hello. So there you have it. It's extremely easy to get started creating JavaScript with Kotlin. In our next episode, I will show you something a little bit more interesting.